Hi, this is Mr. Estrada, and I'd like to show you how I use mobymax with my iPads, my laptops, and figuring out a way to do center. So I'll show you how I use mobymax with Reading Naturally. All right, guys, get ready. Don't forget, half of you guys will be on Reading Naturally. The other half is going to be on mobymax. We're going to start with you. Go to that computer. You're on Reading Naturally. You're on that computer. You're going to be on mobymax reading. Go on that computer over here. On that computer, you're on Reading Naturally. Excel, you're on mobymax. Ariana, you're on mobymax. And Leo, you're on Reading Naturally. While you guys are getting on, setting up, don't forget, follow the teacher's instruction. If I tell you an instruction, you read it right away, you do it right away. Raise your hand to speak or ask for help. Show me you can raise your hand to ask for help or get out of your seat. Good. Zach, show me you know how to raise your hand. Good. So raise your hand to ask for help or get out of your seat. Keep your hand to speak to yourself and stay on task. Yes, raise your hand if you have a question. Don't forget, the way you're showing me you're on task on mobymax is that you're reading out loud. Go ahead. Okay. So you're answering the questions. Kaden, let me work with you. Yep, bring your story. On this side. All right, good job. Let me see where you're at on your story. You got to get 54. Let's practice. On your mark, get set, go.
Chimpanzees are like children. They are about 4 years old. Whenever they get the chance, they teach each other by playing together. Chimpanzees like to
Chase.
teach each other. They like to leap from branch to branch. Like children, chimpanzees
Take.
take a long time to grow up. They
Change.
change as they grow to their face get longer and darker. Chimpanzees have hands. Their hands have them so they can catch things.
Good job.
They can make things too. They even make tools. They make tools to reach their teeth on plants. Chimpanzees like to touch each other. They hold hands. They pick in each other hair. They do this to clean each other.
Good job. Good work. Let's see. 115. Calculate. 70 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 66. Yep. So you had 70 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. And you're saying chimpanzees. No problem. Remember you had a hard time with that? Good job. So now just answer the questions in the back. That's all you got to do, and then we'll go over this later. Good work. Yes, Leo, you ready? You're done. Okay. Awesome. What happens if an eruption is long? The next eruption will be long too. What does Speedy mean in the story? Forces out. Yeah. How many times? So that one's right. That one's right. That one's right. Why do people stand 3 feet away? I remember we had a question. Feet away from the geyser while waiting. A crowd gathers 300 feet away from the hole. But why do they do it? You got to explain to me why. Yeah, so think about it. And I want this word in your sentence. Yeah, so because what's fused? So So go ahead and fix that question. But everything is right. That one's right, that one's right, that one's right, that one's right. You only have to fix that. Good job. Ariana's on task. I can hear her. Oh, I can hear Jordan. Awesome. Good, I can hear Excel. Good work. Yes. Huh? Yeah, you bet. Let's practice reading this one. Tap it out. E. What does EA make? Do you remember that? You're on your E's. EA make E. What does EA make? Yep. So what's this word? Yep. The other one? Close. My turn, then your turn to tap it. Chance, your turn. Tap it. Tap it. No, tap it. Chance. How about this one? What does A consonant E make? Yeah, you got it. So Chase, Chance, and Chi. Which one is it? So that's an example of how I'm using mobymax to be able to work with my students one-on-one. If you notice that the kids are on task because they are motivated by the program, and I don't have to worry about off-task behavior very much. Maybe 20% of my class I have to deal with off-task behavior sometimes. Thank you.